I think Acre could see 30 cents. Johnson & Johnson's dropping on volume right now.
What's up? What's up, people of the live stream world? What's up?
Sorry for you.
Hello, people. Do I look fine? Do I not? No lag? Alright, my computer just froze. There you go. Okay. Welcome. We're just getting the stream started, so waiting for some other viewers to start coming in.
Ishi, what's up, man?
Got the coffee. We got the bounce. Welcome all. Welcome. Let's talk Bitcoin. Let's get into it. So I'm watching the level 2 on Bitcoin on GDAX. We're looking good. We did take a dip below 10K today, and we're trying to battle back. You can see this candle. It's lagging? It doesn't show like it's lagging on me. Oh, come on,
Why
bro.
is everybody muted?
That's how this room works. It's so people don't accidentally queue up and everybody
Thanks,
can
Chuck.
hear what's going on in the background. But we can still hear.
Okay, so
Go on,
what's up, people? What's up? Okay, cool. So what we're seeing with Bitcoin right here is on the 1 hour chart, it's trying to really make a bull flag.
Company, buddy?
A bull flag breakout.
No, Ishi just message me or something. I don't know.
Hold up. Sorry, my computer's fucked. Okay. BNB has been replicating BTC to the... Yeah, I see that, man. This fucking sucks because Bitcoin is still holding. Bitcoin needs to really push. I mean, I plotted out the trend line pretty perfectly. It's just it needs to hold above 10K long enough to where it could break the downward trend, which is just about here. I mean, it's getting so steep it needs to break it or it just keeps falling. I mean, if you think it's the time to buy, go ahead. I mean, it's at a steep discount here. It's coming down. We'll see if it can hold. I mean, it's holding pretty well. But this is how you make money. You buy low, sell high. You can obviously see Bitcoin has done this before in the past. Right here, dips, bounces back up, dips, bounces back up. Everyone thinks it's the end of the world here. You can see same type of chart pattern. You know, it has a run up, drops, 3 red candles. Here you go, same chart pattern. Big dip, replaces, big time move. It did the same thing back in January of 2017 right here, where, you know, it ran up extensively into the new year, crashed, boom, same thing. I mean, it takes these big dips. Tron shit. CEO just keeps pumping it. It's not going anywhere. So you can see this is Bitcoin's chart. Obviously, fairly nice looking. Just because it did so well. I mean, you don't bubbles usually pop right away. I don't think automatics is a Ponzi scheme, at least not from what I've looked up. I get payouts and shit. I mean, you can see my operations. I get my payouts. I've had several payouts. I've taken out money.
ATOS popping.
withdraw right here. I put that into my Binance account, so it's working for me
Alright,
now.
guys,
Just have a volume spike.
But
Yeah,
what I
Ferris,
see,
I have a $9,500 deposit going into automatics here shortly.
nice.
Dude,
Wow.
gains.
So basically, what I'm seeing with
Ballsy, my man.
automatic.
Well, I mean,
It pays, dude. It's gonna be like hitting the lottery, though.
yeah, but the thing, you know what I mean? I gotta do it now before this does go down. You know what I'm saying? And if I don't, I'm gonna shoot myself in the foot. And then I
Goes out the Discord. So Automatics is just an investment platform. It's like a hedge fund. Right now, I'm running it because it's worked for me, but I take out my money every time, every month, just in case it does go down. So that's why I say the only reason I recommend it is because it worked for me. If you don't have to do it, you could put $10 in, try it out. Yeah, it is semi-sketchy. That's why I'm saying it is a sketchy thing. So if you don't want to do it, don't do it. That's fine, up to you. I've made money off of it. I've withdrawn it, and I withdraw every month. I just started this month, so I'm withdrawing my final, like all my accumulated money at the end of the month and putting it into my separate account to go from there. That's what I'm saying about that. It's a good opportunity to take advantage of a small amount of capital, something that you're willing to lose, or just make like a decent 200% profit off. But let's go to Bitcoin. That's the real thing I want to talk about. So you can see Bitcoin's just been tanking. I mean, we all know that. It's holding 10K really well, though. You could see that. I mean, it's been just going up. It did the same type of pattern it did here, where it just goes sideways, okay, and then drops, takes a massive drop, and then comes back up again. Okay. Right now, yeah, BNB has great swings, great swings. BNB has great price opportunity. You could trade this thing. I mean, you buy the dips right here. You buy every dip when it just dip, sell, dip, sell, dip, sell. I wish I didn't put all my money into it. It's 200%. It's 150% depending on what selection you do in 14 days. And 150% over the course of 2% discount, 2% over 7 days or some shit like that. But yeah, you can see BNB. I think BNB is going to start reversing here just because the moving averages are getting so tight, and it might try to make a push. I mean, with Bitcoin, if Bitcoin hits 1,150, it will confirm a bull flag right here. So that's the main goal. We need to break 1,150 for Bitcoin to go up. And if Bitcoin starts going up, we'll see the market reverse, and that would be a good sign. You can see it's really trying to push right here. So, I mean, opportune time to take risks probably now, because if Bitcoin doesn't start pushing up here in the next hour or two, we might see some more downward action. But in my mind, I think Bitcoin is definitely looking fairly nice for another run. That's just me, though. I mean, you could think otherwise. That's fine. I don't care. I'm thinking it's starting to move to a trend reversal. It's been on a bearish downtrend for the last month or so, and it had a great pullback back to the trend line. If you guys see what I'm talking about, this is exactly what I mean. If you zoomed out a little bit, I mean, it just looks like it's going to go back up. Based off technical analysis, based off previous patterns, that's what it is. Especially when Bitcoin starts pumping again, it's going to go back up. So we'll see. When Bitcoin pumps, I'll be banking on BNB. I don't see why BNB keeps falling just with the price of Bitcoin. I think it's kind of horrendous. It's kind of stupid. People don't get it yet. So we're waiting on BNB to go up. That's my pick. But obviously Bitcoin, you can see this is the Bitcoin chart, zoomed out a little bit. This is how I have it planned out for pattern recognition. If it confirms this bounce, I guarantee it will confirm this ascending triangle. People will see it. What do you guys think? Do you think this is a good pattern? You think this is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen with Bitcoin? People are asking questions, so let's. I'm not the man of all answers here. Let's see what some other people have to say. I mean, some other people are calling like the sky's falling. So you can see Bitcoin couldn't test that 150 area. It has to try to test that in the next hour, I think. Yeah, I'm trying to. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to come up here. I mean, it always drops. If I want to show you guys this chart. Oh, it's on my Discord, excuse me. So I want to show you this chart of Bitcoin every year at this time. It always has these drops. And it always recovers. So I'm going to show you guys the chart. You guys can make your mind up how you want to think of it. I'll post the link for you guys to see it and go from there. Let me pull that up real quick. What do you guys think? Start commenting. Tell me what you guys think about this Bitcoin drop. Get what's my boy D. So if you guys see this, hope you guys can see this on my screen. Look at that. So Bitcoin always tends to drop. If I could zoom in for you guys. Oh, wrong screen. Shit. If you see that early, I mean, it does take, it's blurry, I know, but January 12th to 19th, same time in 2017, same time in 2018, it takes these huge drops. A lot of people new into the market don't realize that these drops happen every year, probably getting scared out, and we'll see it to continue. That's what I think is going to happen. I mean, I don't see Bitcoin ending. I mean, bubbles don't end within the first year of their conception either. So I think there's too much drop now. I think demand is huge. It will bounce back. Same here. I think the same thing. I mean, if it doesn't, whatever. Eventually it will. I mean, it's just all these governments trying to slap it down, and people need to realize that the governments don't control this. They're just trying to buy more. And I guarantee once like JP Morgan says Bitcoin's a buy or something, people will start buying. I mean, people are just panic selling. I mean, it dropped. It consolidated and took a tank from 14 grand, so we'll see how low it can go. I mean, back down under 10K. Still holding a green candle on the 4 hour. The 1 hour. The 1 hour is still green from where it opened. Let me fix the zoom in here. If you zoom out, it's bouncing. It's showing some form of a bounce. We got to be honest with ourselves. Because it's indicating some form of a bounce here. Okay, so if we can continue this trend back up to 11, I think it'll be good. It just needs to break, continue to bounce, and not really go back down to 9K anytime soon. And you could just tell, 10K back up to 10, back down to 9, back up to 10. The longer it holds over 10K, the better. I just think in my mind. So we'll see. I mean, I think by the end of the day, we'll know if Bitcoin's going up or down. Some people are saying about the Chinese New Year or something like that. Good stuff, Nick. Yeah, I know. I know BCD, Bitcoin Diamond, actually took a huge run. I mean, I don't care. I'm still going to be right in the long run. So, Bitcoin Diamond took a massive run. Did you guys see that shit? Did anyone play this? I remember I went live last night and we were looking at this. This thing ran like crazy. So this one's always a good one to keep an eye on. Bitcoin Diamond. Okay? Bitcoin Diamond. Anyone play that one yesterday? Yeah, I mean, that's the speculation. That's what's really causing Bitcoin's price. I'm hearing September. September was the time. I mean, dude, hey, Cedric, if it hits 8K, Bitcoin's done. It's not going to go anywhere. You don't want it to hit 8K, in my opinion. Just based, okay, so if it hits 8K, you'd see it down here. That's a total retracement, man. I don't think a total retracement would be an ideal thing for Bitcoin. I mean, 8K right there. Maybe it goes down to 8K. Maybe. I could see it. It does always take a total retracement back to almost the breakout level. So yeah, I could see 8K. Is it going to happen? I don't know. You can see it pulls back. It usually pulls back almost to the breakout level. And I mean, it almost pulled back to the breakout level. So, yeah. I mean, Bitcoin's looking good, though. This is not bad. This type of pattern is not bad because it's forming... In my mind, I think it's forming the ascending triangle. I've seen this happen on several other cryptocurrencies. And I think it could happen again on this one. It's this form of pattern recognition that you need to understand. It's just emotions, human emotions, making these patterns. So basically what I'm seeing here with Bitcoin is it took its first massive run. Let's be honest, it was a huge run. And people now are getting scared and speculative. Like, what's going on? Oh, Bitcoin's falling. I think it's doing this right here. You guys see this image? I know it's fucking small. If you zoom into this, if you look at that, and you compare it to Bitcoin, it somewhat looks the same. Okay, I really see 8K BTC. I don't know about 8K, dude. I really don't. It would kill the trend line. 8K would be down here. It could be a potential possibility, but I don't know. I wouldn't say it's mainstream media. I would just say it's just people jumping on the bandwagon of Bitcoin. But 8K would nearly kill the whole run. That would confirm bearish trend. If you see, this is what I think is happening on Bitcoin. You can see it takes a huge drop. It has that little ricochet jump, which it did. It had that ricochet jump up and then crash down. And then it'll start to bounce back up, hit another resistance, and then come back down and push back up. That's what I think is happening. I mean, you can disagree with me anytime you want. You could say it's going to 8K. I don't think it's going to go to 8K. I mean, it could happen, whatever. It's not going to kill me. I don't really care. I just play the market, and I think the market's not over yet. I mean, it just started. This huge run was the first real big run for Bitcoin. So it pulled back a lot, which is good. You want to see any asset that makes a huge run pull back. You have to. So it did pull back, and it's pulled back here. It's pulled back here, and we'll see if it can push. I would love to see Bitcoin push up. I would love to, so it could prove all the naysayers. I started doing crypto here early in December. I actually started in May when this whole run started right here. And I bought Litecoin and stuff, made a few $100. My CoinBase was just shit. But I've been in stocks and investing for the last year and a half. So I know what I'm talking about when it comes to chart patterns. And I mean, I'm pretty sure if you guys have been watching me for the last month or two, or the last month, I've provided pretty good information that has proven to be pretty accurate. I mean, my calls on Ripple were perfect on spot. People were like, should I buy Ripple here? I'm like, you do what you want. But I bought Ripple and I made a killing off of it. I made a killing. I mean, I called the Binance coin on my 2018 video. I called all those 2018 cryptocurrencies that I called out ran eventually more than what their current price. So I think I know what I'm doing here. And I'm just not trying to tell you guys where to buy or sell. I'm just trying to show you guys how to plot out frameworks when people... These are the times where you need to be strong. You need to be taking the risks of investing in these currencies while they're cheap, because you'll have the sheep buying it up when it starts bouncing up to 11, 12, 13,000. When you buy here down at here, you're saving yourself a lot of money in the long run, even if it drops. So that's my opinion on. I want to hear what you guys have to think. I mean, Ether's looking good too. I mean, Bitcoin, there you go. Bitcoin just took a massive jump. That's a bull. Did you guys just see that? It just took a massive jump. Did anyone just see that? Wow. Did anyone just see that massive jump? Let me zoom in here. That was a massive jump on Bitcoin. Shit, my fucking screen. So if anyone just saw that run right there, it just took a massive jump. They could fucking fix right here. So there you go. There's the Bitcoin push. You see it just broke out right there in this minute. Someone just bought it up. Oh my god, dude, this thing's annoying sometimes. Look. See that? This is on the 1 minute. It just took it jumped from about $10,000 all the way up to $10,300, which confirmed what I was just talking about, the bull flag. It just confirmed the bull flag, like I was saying right here. It hasn't done this pattern at all in this downtrend, so I think that's the trend reversal in my mind. You guys don't have to believe me. I'm not saying trade off my opinion. I'm showing you guys how I make an analysis on any cryptocurrency and how I back it up. I told you guys when I started the stream 20 minutes ago that Bitcoin is trying to make a bull flag past this 10,150. That's how you saw that huge shot up, and Bitcoin shot up. So now we might start seeing a reversal. If Bitcoin starts pushing to 10.5, 10.6, 10.7, that would be even better. But that was a nice jump. And you can see now it's got support here. Just going to try to retest that spot, but it was a good jump. That's a great jump for Bitcoin. Ripple. XRP. Okay, XRP USD. It did have that head and shoulders I was talking about. Now XRP is just going to basically run off Bitcoin. I would wait till the market starts stagnating out, but I mean, this is a good time to buy. A lot of people are just acting like redundant and, unethical, illogical, anything you want to put at that, saying, oh, don't buy here. Don't listen to anybody here. Don't listen to anybody on these chats. They don't know shit about investing, most of them. They're just scared shitless trying to find, it's very laggy because people are jumping in the market. A lot of people are just trying to, find sympathy, see if people are in the same shoes they're in, if they're losing a shit ton of money. These are good buys because they're at discount prices. I mean, Bitcoin, you just thought Bitcoin was good at 15,000. Now your opinion changes when it's at 10. You guys have to really make up your mind and understand what patterns are, technical analysis, the things I'm trying to preach to everyone. Bull flags, bear flags. Understand what these are because then you can understand how to buy these cryptocurrencies. And buying, I guarantee half of you people are considering buying Ripple up there at $3, okay? I was buying it all the way up here. You could watch my video for proof. I was buying Ripple down here, and I was saying it could hit $1. I made the video of Ripple going to $5 by end of year, while people were up here saying, oh, Ripple's going to go to 10. I'm like, it's not going to go to 10 anytime soon. I said Ripple would be $5 by the end of 2018. And everyone wants to just naysay, disagree, because they're all in the moment, high off the currencies. You're speculating, not investing. There's a difference. Me, I'm speculating. Not really, man. Yeah, it's not possible. I'm not speculating. I'm using technical analysis, which is not speculation. It's called observing human behavior, and I also have knowledge on what I'm investing in, so it's more investment, not speculation. Please clear your mind up before pointing fingers. I'll show you what a bull flag is. So it's fairly simple. It's when you have an upwards parabolic movement followed by a sideways consolidation with lower volume, not giving up most of the gains, and then a green candle exploding and breaking the previous high of the red candle. I'll show you it. It's better when you see it. So it's something like this. You can see where it just consolidates and it pops out of that triangle or the flag and then boom, breaks out. See here, somewhat like this. I try to show the one by Warrior Trader because he has a good one. I'm not saying it was a huge jump, James. I'm just saying that it confirmed what I was thinking, and I'm excited about that. I mean, why are people fucking getting all salty because I was excited it confirmed what I was saying? Jesus, some people just get so bitchy. I'll call you out. I ain't scared about that shit either. So this is what a bull flag is. A perfect example. You see right here when the red candle, the green candle breaks the previous red candle's high, squeezes in. That's a bull flag. You buy on the first break of the first high. When the green candle breaks the red candle's high, makes cash. That's how it is. Usually works most of the time. I mean, it's never a guarantee in any type of market. Where is it? Breakout trading. I think he has the picture of the really good one. Here, let me show you guys. Right here. This is what you want to look for. That's a bull flag. Fuck. Zoom in. Zoom in. So this is what you want to look for. Bull flag pattern. You see that? Where it goes up. Yeah, I have a video on recognizing bull flag patterns. I'll make another one. I mean, because I feel like a lot of people are unaware on how to observe patterns. Or yeah, I already made one, Dan. Check out the channel. Because that's how a lot of people base their shit off emotions. They think they know what they're talking about. But really, most of these people don't. I might not know what I'm talking about to some extent. You guys might know more. There's probably older gentlemen in here who've been investing for years, who know more than me. I'm not saying that I do know more than anyone. I'm saying I have a good knowledge basis. Okay, a lot of people in investing like to call shots and say, oh, they're right, they're right. I just adapt to the market. Whatever the market shows me, and if it shows I'm right or wrong, I will go with it. I'm not, I don't just lie to myself and say, oh, I need to be right. I mean, like I said, Ripple is a good buy down here in the 80s and 90s because, I mean, it's day trading profits here. You can make easy cash off these patterns. This is bull flag 101. This is a bull flag on Ripple. See, breaks the previous high. Nick, see this shit? This is bull flag live, 30-minute chart. Goes up, breaks the previous high right here. That's your confirmation. You'd buy in. Look for an uptrend over that, okay? Same pattern. Like, I want to show you guys this in real time so the idiots who try to hate, who don't know shit, who are probably just losing their ass off because they bought Bitcoin at 19K thinking it would keep going up are the ones hating right now, not mentioning their positions. But look, see that? You guys see the same type of pattern. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, but that's the same pattern. This is on Ripple. This is a live chart happening right now, okay? And, you know, if you got that confirmation, you could have gotten Ripple around 98 cents, been up about 5 cents. Yeah, Nick, I can post that URL if you're interested in copying that image. Put it on your wall. Understand how to recognize bull flags. I mean, it's literally happening right here in front of your own eyes. Boom. Yeah, I know. The media's spreading fake news. I don't think there's going to be 15 new exchanges opening, taking over people's positions. Like, I think people are staying on Binance for the short term. That's why I'm invested in Binance coin. But you can see there's a good pattern. It looks like it's forming a rounded bottom here. Okay, 91 cents. Good job, Dan. So now you're up. You see, you got in nearly at the low. You risk off the low. That's simple investing. And you can see Bitcoin. What's up, Sam? You can see Bitcoin bull flag. Like I said in the beginning of the stream, it was showing a bull flag and it confirmed it. I don't really bullshit about what I say. It's bull flagging. I mean, I'm sure in Korea they'll open up. I don't think here. Why do you keep retracting your message? See bull flag. Now we want to see Bitcoin try to push into 10.4, 10.5, confirming a strong reversal. So this could be the reversal here. I'm not saying it is. I'm saying it could. Please listen, understand the difference between it is and it could. This could be the reversal, okay? I'm not saying it is. Again, it's saying it could be the reversal. Why? Why do I think it's a reversal? Well, it broke pattern. It showed a bull flag, which it hasn't shown at all here. And it's trying to test. It's held over the 10,000 mark really well. It's trying to test previous resistance. So we'll see if it can. If it breaks 10.5, good. If it doesn't, whatever. We're still in this bearish downtrend. So we're waiting. Like I said, Bitcoin does this all the time. Tron's looking like it. Tron's breaking out a little bit. Tron. Tronny Tron. Ooh, Tron. Psych. Ugh, now I got the Tron lag. No. There's hella buyers on Tron, low-key. Oh, my account's still not moving. I need to get it up to 1,700. Be happy at that point. Alright, so here's the bullish movement here on Bitcoin. If we can start pushing, we'll watch the level 2. You see all these sellers. We want these sellers to be taken out. There's mad sellers here. Mad sellers. If you guys see what I'm seeing, this is how you read level 2 for anyone who's interested. This is level 2. You want to see people buying into the sellers. More green on this side. You can see we're already getting the confirmation. Within this hour, if we break past 10.5, it's, in my mind, I think it's confirmed. I really do. You can see it's pushing up. Tron's even pushing up here. Tron's breaking out like crazy. I think this might be the run on Tron here. Tron's breaking out, so anyone in Tron, this might be your time. It is running. Like, look, it's freezing my Binance. Tron is running. Oh, wow. Bitcoin, oh, there it goes. Broke previous high. It's pushing. Bitcoin is pushing, boys. We are pushing up here. XRP pushing at 104. Got Bitcoin Diamond trying to make a push. Let's watch. We got Bitcoin Diamond, BNB. BNB still at 11. Come on, man. BNB needs to go back to 15, man. I'm sick and tired of this crap staying down here. Yo, my mom's sending Bitcoin to buy from the... Hey, congrats, bro. You can see it's starting to break into this purple moving average. We're getting some strong bullish trending up here. $12 on BNB. Got Bitcoin about to hit 10.5. Right here, 10.5. You see this fat seller. You see this fat seller. Right here. Look, 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 look. Watch this, guys. See how he's being taken out. Look at him. He's being taken out. Oh, there we go. 10.5. 10.5. We're at 10.5 on the bid. 10.5 on the bid. Bitcoin reversing. Like I said, watch bullish candlesticks. Bull flag 101 right here. You know, pushed up. That's all we need. I know it doesn't hold the price. But as long as it pushed up, breaking previous high, red candles high, that's a good thing. This is the strongest price movement we've gotten on a downtrend of Bitcoin so far. I mean, you can all see that in the pattern itself. Just bear flag. This time it recovered, pulled back. You can see here it jumped up, pulled back, and then it couldn't break out again here. It jumped up, pulled back halfway, broke out. That's a good sign. It hasn't done that at all. This is on the 30-minute chart, bounced off trend line. This is very, very strong. As I was saying, I don't think Bitcoin's done. It does this every January. It recovers. You guys can make your own decisions from there. But yeah, like I said, guys, pattern recognition. I'm not trying to preach to you guys to get scared. Preaching to you guys to understand pattern recognition. You can go from there. I'm not going to predict XLM and Tron. That's your job to do. Tron is running. I was just looking at that. Why is BNB still at 1187? Come on, man. Like, dude, Bitcoin goes up and it's still shitting. Like, come on, man. What the fuck's going on with BNB? The one thing I need to go up. The one thing I need to go up is still sitting down here. We'll see. BNB is starting to push up. I think once the new day changes, we'll start to get another rally with Bitcoin. I mean, it's always funner seeing this Bitcoin go up, but once the UTC day, I mean, I don't know what time it is, UTC time. So once this day changes over, the Coordinated Universal Time, which will be in the next 4 hours, 10 minutes, we should start seeing a trend change on on Bitcoin. I mean, we might see another red day, but I don't think we will. Hopefully not. It's really bouncing off that trend line really nicely. I mean, it's confirmed it. We'll see if we can get a push. Binance coin's still down. It looks like we're getting a reversal here. I'm wanting it to really run. If Bitcoin could just push more. Yeah, I know BNB's fine. It's just I want it to go up now. I want it to go up now. You feel me? Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. It's going to go up either way. Bitcoin is pushing. I mean, good bounce off that resistance. Good. So we'll see. The Asians, I think, are waking up. Time in Korea, 4:50. So we got the Koreans and Japanese waking up soon. They should. Yeah, we do. Just get Airbnb and Binance just confirmed partnership. Just kidding. I guarantee people took that seriously. Look, Bitcoin with going up, with Ripple going up, with Korea waking up in 2 hours probably for trading, we should see a good, strong movement, in my opinion. I mean, the way we held 10 grand really well, we're bouncing off that. If we start pushing 11,000, guys, which, I mean, by the way these candles are setting up, I don't think 11,000 is far off. I mean, we could really start seeing a huge trend change here. And we'll get into the live chat right now. The Asians are waking up. It's 4 a.m., you know. So we could see what we're getting here. Let me get back in the live chat. Yo. Yo, Bitcoin bounce. Yeah, it's 10,500 so far. Trying to head up there. There we go. So watch this. Watch level 2. Watch. You see this big seller? This is another way to analyze if a cryptocurrency or stock's gonna go up. You see, there's a lot of sellers here. This is resistance. Sorry, I'm just excited. I love this shit. This is resistance here. That's why you see more sellers pushing the price down. So once that 72 Bitcoin's gone, because we tested him one time, we got rid of him. If he's gone again, we're in the driver's seat. You can see we're finally over this moving average right here. Whatever, I don't know exactly what this moving average is. This orange moving average, whatever they put. Oh, it's the 12-day EMA. So we're over the 12-day EMA, and it's going up. Okay, Binance coin's at 12. We need $4 more, so hopefully we get that. But Bitcoin is reversing right now. If we break 1050, we're good to go. But it's getting put. It's getting pushed. There's almost $100 of Bitcoin or 100 Bitcoin on the ask. You know, just under 1050. So we'll see if we can break it. If not, we still have a good confirmation that ran. That's a good sign. But you see that they're still trying to fight these guys down here. It's like a war, a tug of war. We'll see if the buyers can beat them out here. So see, they're just pushing them down. Pushing them down. Big wall right there. What's up? Greetings from Slovakia. What's up, Martin? So we're watching Bitcoin trying to push that $10,500 mark. BNB just got rejected as well. BNB looks like it wants to reverse as well. You can see it's forming. So it bounced literally off previous support. It looks like it could trend change and round up again. I mean, that's my goal. That's my hope. I don't see why Bitcoin or Binance coin should be down this low, especially since it's a... So we'll see. Here it is, testing the wall again. I mean, there's no whales in Binance coin or Bitcoin. You really can't really push the price down that much. Whales and Verge and shit, yeah, Tron, and there's whales. Those low cap ones where millionaires can control them. So watch this. There's almost about 100 Bitcoin on the sell. It needs to break. If it breaks through, oh, look, you see that? He just pulled his order. He just pulled his order. If you saw that, he had 70. Here we go. There it goes. Breaks 10.5. He just pulled that fat order, and we're off. Bitcoin over 10.5. Bitcoin over 10.5. You see that? He just pulled his order. And I think he's right up here. We'll see if we can get more strength in, if we can rip through these marks. We're getting buyers up here. This is how you see trend change. So I told you guys the bull flag in the beginning. Start up on for webcam sex industry. Oh, great. So you can see trend change here. I think this is it. That was the bounce off the bull flag. Why? Why the bull flag? Because it's the simple bullish pattern. Let's see it on BNB. It should start reacting. What's up?
You having a good day?
I'm waiting for Binance coin to go back. So you can see that, guys? See if Binance coin can reverse with Bitcoin. Bitcoin reversing. I mean, we'll see. I mean, could we hit 11K? Could we hit 11K? I don't know.
So I made a rookie mistake, and I'm pissed.
We're at 10,600 already. 10,600 test. Let's see how fast we can get rid of him. If we rip through 10,600, guys, this trend is strong. This is strong if it rips through 10.6. You can see in this candle, we've already put back almost $800. If we break 10.6, which looks like it's going to happen, watch. You see that green? Boom. 10.6. Gone! Gone! Pat, pat, pat. Sorry, that was a little overreaction, but you can see we're just taking out these orders. People are buying. People are noticing. Look how fast these coins are gone. See if it keeps taking them out. If we get a big buyer, push this up and whip it up, Bitcoin will continue to rise. So Binance coin 1230. Like I said, guys, understand the bull flag patterns. Watch my videos. They're not fake. I told you guys, the bull flag patterns are not a joke. Adam, what's up, bro?
I know, man. Alright, so question. Let's say if I hold this and not sell anybody, right? And I just buy more shares. Would that be considered?
Alright, well, you can see, guys, that it confirmed that bull flag pattern. Okay. They confirmed the bull flag pattern. That's very strong. And then we want to see Bitcoin start, pushing strongly back up here. You could see it held that resistance or the support I drew. I told you guys every January it does this. Shakes out weak hands. If you're a weak hand, I'm sorry if you got out. Everything's going to run. Everything's going to run. If you're a weak hand and you got out, that's your fault. You should have really understood technical analysis. I mean, this is just a little bounce. We want to see a good confirmation and a continue of a push into 11,000. Once Bitcoin gets to 11,000, I think we're good from there. And I mean, I have it plotted out, as you guys can see, for the long term, which so far it's confirmed. I think Bitcoin could definitely try to get back up to 20K come April, March, reasonable amount of time, and then start to push around here. March, April, June, July, around there. If bull run continues. Right now, good bounce, good indication. We're pushing up. We've got another confirmation. You see, got an engulfing green candle here. Engulf the whole red candle. The whole body of the red candle. That's very strong. Now we're pulling back a little bit, but this green candle has confirmed the breakout. Okay, now anybody who knows technical analysis should be buying just based off this pattern right here. This simple pattern of bullish. We can now get drunk because the money. Oh yeah, we can get drunk, Mario. We could smoke. This is live, Bob. This is live. This is live. This is a live breakout of Bitcoin. You could check the price. This is the CoinBase charting, just on TradingView. I have it plotted out. We want to see Bitcoin to continue to push, not get faked out here. We want to see a strong, strong push. This is just the beginning. We got a new hour started, so the first hour to really break out here was this hour, this past hour. We've got like 4 more hours till the new day starts for Bitcoin on the universal time setting. So if we can get back above, I mean, if we could start going green. Why is Bitcoin down the fat pigs? Bring out the Kush. Oh, damn. 10-4-20, baby. Should we roll a Kush blunt for the live stream? Huh? Anyone? Bueller? I'm just kidding, but yeah. So that was a good indication. Bitcoin is going up. Now we need to see. It's not confirmed. It's not confirmed because obviously it's still not done. Ethereum looking a little trashy here, in my opinion. I mean, but you can see Ethereum does the same pattern. Ethereum could be just forming this pattern again, or this pattern again, or this pattern again. So don't get too overzealous that it's not going your way just yet. Ripple, great jump. Ripple had a great jump. BTC, good jump. We're still pushing. We're still looking good. Fuck, don't call me a pussy, man. I'm not a pussy. I will roll one up. Binance coin still being a bitch, like always. Like, come on, you piece of shit. Fucking, it needs to go back up to 16, man. Pissing me off. No. It's not gonna pass Bitcoin. Not anytime soon, at least. See, Bitcoin XRP is going up, my guy. You can see the level 2. People are buying up these prices, so Ripple is not dead, my guy. Ripple is at prime buying opportunity time. I mean, if you didn't get in Ripple, I'm getting DDoSed. Just kidding. Why is Ripple's chart not loading? Why is Ripple's chart not loading? Okay, so Ripple, you can see, I mean, for Dan, you got in at 91. I told you the bull flag never fails. Fuck BitConnect. Fuck BitConnect. It's pushing up here, okay? And then, boom, back up. You're making money. No, it wasn't fake. That's a confirmation. You just wait it out. See, Bitcoin's right back up at 1050. We want to see confirmed candles, okay? Should we roll it live? We've got the organics here, boys. We've got the organics. We can roll a live Kush blunt here. For anyone interested, if you guys want, I'll just donate me some Bitcoin. I'll do it live for the peeps. Fuck BitConnect, Ron Burgundy. Love the name though. Bitcoin is pushing. Bitcoin is pushing. I mean, this is some strong movement. We haven't seen green candles like this. Yeah, I told you Bitcoin's good. I mean, Ripple's good, excuse me. It's pushing. It's pushing. It needs, if we can get a nice chain, if this could chain up here, to chain up like 3 candles in a row. If we get another candle like this, it's 3 white soldiers. I love this BitConnect. It's not even BitConnect, bro. Fuck that shit. Have you guys heard of Crypto Chick? That one YouTuber I want to bash on real quick. She promoted the shit out of BitConnect. I have a pipe, but it's outdoors right now. She promoted the shit out of BitConnect, and she just deleted all her videos about BitConnect, saying, "Oh, BitConnect's down," when she probably cashed in on all her users' referral money. That's why I want to confirm, like, dude, don't fall for this bullshit. No, Bitcoin is just consolidating. I mean, it's trying to see if these prices, if it wants to keep going, it will hold above 10,200, 10,000, and continue to push. And that's how can you tell? You look at the buyers. You see if there's buyers there. There's obviously sellers. The buyers need to hold these prices. You can see it started. It's holding this EMA. Yeah, Ripple is gonna take a while, and that's why you You gotta be confident in your pick. I don't think Bitcoin's going anywhere. I don't think BNB's going anywhere. And that's why I bought BNB. Obviously bought it too early, but I think it's going to run back up with Bitcoin, especially if Bitcoin makes a rally here. BNB will rally and will eventually push back up as well. So we'll see. Oh, I was talking about Crypto Chick. Why I see other channels? It's probably because they're lag. This is off CoinBase, or they're watching a different server, a different market. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I don't watch these BitConnect scum. But this chick right here, Crypto Chick, she like just made videos with her tits out, so she got a ton of views, and all the kids fell for them. And she promoted the shit. Look, she literally deleted all her videos. She deleted all her videos. And now look at, she got 18K views. Probably has an ad on this somewhere. You're clueless if you didn't realize BitConnect's an obvious Ponzi scheme. BitConnect, just some shit. She sucks. I wouldn't be, following this bitch at all. She frauded out a ton of people of their money, so I wouldn't be following that girl. I'm just being honest with you. BitConnect shit. I do use automatics. It is a hedge fund. They invest in cryptocurrency as well as forex. Now that's why I jump in this for now, because I think it's going to continue. It has shown me money. I mean, I've made money off my operations. I do get referral money, but for me on automatics, like, it makes money right now. I'm gonna take it out at the end of the month and reevaluate my decisions from there. Tron pumping. Yeah, I saw Tron pumping earlier. Yeah, Tron is pumping right now. Tron is pumping for you guys who are interested. I told you guys Tron will pump one day. It is pumping. This is the day. Tron is pumping. Damn, I fucked her. Oh yeah, for real. Yeah. Okay, so Tron's pumping right now. Ooh, Tron is pumping. Yeah, she's hot because she has big tits. Probably fake. I could fuck that girl if I want, but she's a scum. Don't fuck scum. She should be in jail. Look at all these sellers on... Look, they're just selling into this. I wouldn't be buying Tron. Don't fall for it. Look at these sellers. I don't know. I wouldn't buy Tron. Honestly, I mean, you could buy Tron if you want, but I don't know why Tron's pumping. Let's check the Twitter for the CEO. Tron Puppies English. Oh, okay, so he just released this. The founder just released Tron Puppies. I don't know what the fuck this means. Sounds like some Tamagotchi shit. Pet collections. Oh, really? You know the Asian people love this shit, so I don't doubt this. This is what you're investing in if you're buying Tron. I don't know. I guess the Asians love this shit. I mean, Tron is a very... Yeah, I agree. Alright, look. So Tron is running. I mean, I do own Tron. I'm not going to lie. I can't get it out of my wallet here. I do own Tron. I have 500 Tron just sitting here. I need to take it out soon. But Tron is running. I mean, look at that. That's a nice run. That's volume right there. But it's a game like that kitty shit. Yeah. I mean, play Tron how you want, but I ain't playing this shit. This shit does not look good to me. Looks very sketchy. I mean, you got a lot of sellers to get through. A lot. And, I mean, if you're willing to play that game, go. I'm all for it. Go ahead. But... I ain't playing Tron anytime soon. I really ain't. So you can see I got BNB here. BNB running, creating a bullish pattern on, the price is above all the moving averages. The Bitcoin moving up. I think this one's going to recover and recover strong. I mean, people are really sleeping on BNB right now. They're really sleeping on BNB, and it's sad. Once BNB reverses, I should be up in the green soon, and my money, it will come back. That's why I hold. I believed in myself, and my shit's working. So Neo, buy, it's better now. Yeah, I'm telling you guys. But you buy the dip. Like I was telling yesterday and before, these 9K, 10K, watch for the confirmation. It confirmed you had time to buy in any of the coins you wanted to. Made a ton of money. Yeah, well, it's starting to recover right now. Ripple's recovering. I mean, Ripple was just at 80 cents not long ago. I mean, it was at 80 cents last month. And then it's now back at 80 cents. You can buy it, expecting it to go to 2. So, we'll see. I mean, it's a good pullback, you know? It's a good pullback. So now XRP's at 110. You could have bought XRP at 90 cents yesterday, okay? 85 cents. Cardano's a good one, man. So Ripple, money was there. Money is still there, but I mean, the money was there on the dip. If you didn't buy the dip, I feel like you're chasing a little bit now. You see Bitcoin's confirming the bull flag. Like I said, bull flags are king. No one likes to listen till, you know, I show you guys that it's fucking true, that how bull flags always work out. You can ask anybody who is in here while they're watching me explain the bull flag that I was calling this out. The bull flag pattern works, and this is why I recommend it. You can watch my videos of why bull flags work in the crypto market so well, because it's just a bull market, and anytime we have a bullish run, this is the pattern that you usually want to look for. So do it on this one. So look, you can see same pattern right there. Hope you guys see that. It works. It's on Ripple. It's on Litecoin, I'm sure. You see that. This is on that. You can see it on the hour chart too. I mean, same pattern. It's doing it right now. Yeah, I always talk about Ripple. Ripple till death to me. I made 3 times my money on Ripple. And I don't think the market's done. Everyone's calling market correct. Market's done. Market's done. Market's done. Market's done. It's not. It's not. And you can see, you know, like we're getting a reversal here off a bull flag. Now, if it's confirmed, I don't know. Wabi, you know, I played Wabi. I thought it was gonna have a, you know, one of those runs, but it didn't. My English is not good, but will Ripple go? Maybe Muhammad, inshallah. That's what you gotta say. Believe. If you believe in the technology, do the research. I mean, if you're asking that type of question, you're gambling, and I know it's against. I know your name. You're Muslim. You shouldn't be gambling. So make sure you invest wisely. Understand why you think Ripple's worth $3, and yeah, I mean, okay, so why I invested in BNB? I don't have a ton of money to throw in the markets. My money's on BNB because the exchange is growing. I think the money's there for me to make. I'm already in it, and I'm holding that one. Ripple, I think Ripple is a good one to buy. You could day trade that one. I made a ton of money off Ripple. So now I'm just moving my money into another asset, and that's BNB. That's where my money is. You can see Bitcoin bouncing hard. Like I said, the proof's in the pudding, guys. That's why I suggest you guys follow my channel, because no one else is going to tell you this shit. No one else is going to tell you the bull flag patterns that you see here that I posted. Scroll through the chat. Look, I was telling bull flag pattern down at 10,200, 10,100, 10,150. It's there, okay? The money is there by understanding the human psychology behind it. So if you guys haven't already, subscribe. I'm not going anywhere. Subscribe. Like the video. Share this with your friends and family. This is real. And this is how you make money in the crypto market. You can see this confirmed a bounce off a bull flag, which is right here. Okay, it's going to fluctuate. People are going to have to, the sellers are going to have to raise either their price or, you know, go from there. I think Ripple's going to recover. I mean, isn't it not recovering? We just had a market correction here. I mean, it's the same thing that happens all the time, and Bitcoin's bouncing back. And then people, the thing that's going to happen is, if Bitcoin keeps running like this, people who sold out, who got scared, are going to be buying it up back to 13, 14K, and then be the ones who are crying about it when it comes back down to retest support at 12 and selling out. So these people are going to really cause the market to fluctuate. But Ripple's at 110. Ripple's at 110. Yeah, I mean, and I'm not here to call it. That's not my job. I'm here to educate you to understand how to make these decisions based off based off patterns. So BNB's at 1230. Hell yeah. It looks like we're going to get a really strong run into the market close in America. Bull flag pattern always works. I'll put this to the side for anyone who's interested. If you guys want a link, you can study this up. This is the pattern I go by. You can get this Ripple hoodie off Amazon. I should start doing Amazon affiliate links. Make my own shirts and shit once I get big. Amazon. I got it for free, actually. Buddy sent it to me because I helped him, make his decision on Ripple. I told him about it, and he liked it, so he bought me this. So, yeah, guys, it's just understanding market patterns, market recognition. 721. So, I mean, this is what I use. Flat top breakouts. Good one. And a bull flag pattern. I'll share the link with you guys. This works in the stock market as well. It's meant for the stock market, but obviously crypto market's no different. We're getting a bounce. It's looking good. Binance coin about to hit 13. Ooh. Nah, Ethereum's not looking risky. I just think Bitcoin's going to offer a fat bounce for your money. 10,740. Now let's watch level 2. Let's watch the level 2, how it's confirming it. So you can see there's a ton of buys. We got a ton of sellers. You see the sellers up here. So we're going to hit a fat wall at 11,000. We've got almost 1,000 Bitcoin. So let's do the math. I think that's 781 plus 215 plus 94. So we have 1,090 Bitcoin times 11,000. So we got almost $12 million of Bitcoin right there at 11,000. Do you guys see that? That's $12 million. Oh yeah, if anyone wants to see me smoke Kush live, just send me some Bitcoin. I'll do it. I'll do it. If you send me Bitcoin, I'll smoke weed live for you. Okay? I'm kidding. Well, I mean, I'm not kidding. If you want to send Bitcoin, invest 10% of your income. So watch. We see this fat wall of like $12 million of Bitcoin. Can we break it? If we break this shit quickly, it's just gonna go. We're gonna go to the moon, baby. Binance coin finally reversing, like I said, and I think Binance coin's definitely gonna have an extreme reversal. Just because it was so it just dropped so hard, and it didn't really deserve to drop that much, in my opinion. So you can see extreme reversal, blue dream. Now I got some Clementine right now. So we're at 12. We got a big wall there. We're running into a wall here on Bitcoin. You can see we're almost to those big guys. Bobby smoking live. Hell yeah. Good shit. Just keep investing. Keep it smart. You see we're running into a wall, so we're going to need big buyers to come in and start really, really pushing this price up. So I don't know if we'll get that 11K break anytime soon, but you can see we've got a lot of sellers, a lot of Bitcoin to push through. So we need a lot of buying going on here. A lot of buying. You guys see this? We're really pushing through here. All these sellers are pushing through. We broke through that downtrend. We need to get to 11K though, in my opinion, to really confirm it. It's going to take a while though. It's going to take a while. But it did confirm the breakout, which is good. So is good. But we got it. We got to rip through these guys. There's over $12 million sitting on the ask. I mean, if you guys want to donate $12 million, I'll fuck the market up. But I don't got $12 million. 60. We got 69 viewers. Good. Just keep it at 69. It's my favorite number. For anyone who hasn't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe, please. And thank you. Like the video. Please like the video. It helps just get the channel get out there. So if you guys are about to dip, just like the video. I really appreciate that because it helps get the channel out there, helps people see the channel, show the real information. But yeah, you can see Bitcoin is reversing. I'm happy. Probably gonna go light up a blunt here. Right here. Got the mini swishers. Got the Kush. Sorry for anyone who doesn't like it. Weed, but I have a med card, so it's legal. Yeah, I want to do like a smoking weed live video. I wonder how many people would watch that one. So you can see we're pushing up here. We're pushing up. BNB ripping back up here. BNB is ripping back up. 1260. We need a strong push. And just chain back up and I'll be chilling. Hold up 1 second, guys. I don't think this is a small run up. I don't think this is a small run up at all. This is a massive run up. Hold up, I'm reading the Bitcoin Warren Buffett thing. Potcoin, I did some research in it. It just doesn't have the longevity. Being greedy, I'm not being greedy. I just think this is a trend reversal. That's a good thing. This is a long term though. Long term run. I'm holding BNB for the next month or two. Alts are all 50% LOL. Yeah, they're all off. You can see, like I said, Bitcoin pushing up, proofs in the pudding. Doubt yourself, go ahead. Doubt yourself if you want, but this is real information. I'm telling you guys, like, bull flags work. You guys are seeing it live happening right now. This is what a bull flag is. People psychologically seeing an increase in price, chasing the price back up to where it should be. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, Potcoin could be good. We'll see. I mean, I know, yo, what's up? Sorry, Dirtstorm. Isn't that a movie taking greedy? Yeah, I mean, yeah, it is down a lot. Like, you got to be honest with yourself. These people are just trying to get out. I don't know what they're doing here. They're killing momentum for sure, but I mean, that's a bounce. I don't know any way you look at that. That's a bounce. That's a confirmation, closed pin, confirmation, bounce right there. Match the low, bounce, 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 bounce. Let's get some more viewers. Let's hit 100 viewers. I haven't hit 100 viewers for a while. To get 100 viewers, should I start live streaming on Twitch? Too many pot coins? Yeah, I'm sure. So we could see Bitcoin is bouncing. Does anyone live stream on crypto on Twitch? Let's see Bitcoin. Would you guys prefer live streaming Bitcoin? Live streaming on Twitch? Doesn't seem like many watch Bitcoin shit on Twitch. Yeah, no one's watching it. Yeah, I'm sticking to YouTube. All right, you could see BNB almost at 13. I think BNB will start to really take its mind of its own here. I hope so. with Bitcoin running, I mean, I hope it just puts up 13, 14, 15 dollars here shortly. We're about to hit 11K on Bitcoin shortly. If we hit 11K, guys, and like everyone was saying, oh, this is the end. The world is falling. The world is falling. Bitcoin's done. No, it's not. That is just, it's the suckers. The suckers, you know. They got sucked in up here, and got burned, sold off, and then we're buying back the coin for cheap. Yeah, I know, YouTube is probably better. But look, just cheap coin. We're going to see a massive run on Bitcoin, I'm telling you. After these dips, it runs hard, okay? And that's just a confirmation. This could run right back up to 12. I'm not kidding. Hey, what's up? Yeah, I'm going to stick to YouTube. My live stream, my OBS settings are really good. It hasn't crashed or dropped any frames at all. You can see we're almost at 10,900, boys. Yeah, man, just keep holding, trade better, trade wisely, don't get scared out. You can see all these people got scared out, and now they're jumping back in with force, with vengeance. I mean, let's see BNB. So BNB, we got big sellers, 13, 14. Fuck, every price point. Look at that. Look at that beauty. I think once we're in 10,900, Bitcoin's going to start to run, really run. If we break 11,000, we're going to get a run. You can see we've got multi-million-dollar orders here. This is almost about probably $14, $15 million worth of Bitcoin. See, it just hit resistance at 10.9. So Bitcoin, I mean, it just had that massive run. I mean, that is good enough for me. We want to see some more of a run. No, right now I'm already in a position in Binance Coin. Right now we're discussing Bitcoin and the run, you know, how I predicted it, basically based off a easy common pattern called. Yeah, I know. Based off an easy pattern called the bull flag. It's just 2 green candles, explosive movement, sideways action, and then boom, open. Yeah, the crash is panic. This is all panic. I mean, we'll eventually recoup all these gains and come back up to 1,300, hopefully. I mean, based off the pattern, it's looking good. I mean, all these sharp bounces always rebound. Like I said, Bitcoin does this all the time. I mean, and it depends on the perspective you're looking at it. If we go to the 4-hour chart. Oh, CoinBase, yeah. You can see, I mean, it did that hefty drop here. Bounced right back up, and it took about, on the 4-hour chart, it took about 3-4 candles. So it was green. So if we can get consistent green 4-hour candles for the next day or two, we'll be good. So we've already got 2 green candles. If we get one more, we'll be chilling. We'll see. Right now, it's just trying to find a good price point. We just had a massive run. Yeah, I know, Dan. I know. You gotta learn it. We just had that massive run, few $100s, and we're holding well. We're holding steady. We want Bitcoin to continue to push up. If it falls over, that's not good. We want to push up. Because it could potentially here. Yeah, Bitcoin could potentially come down here, bounce off this trend line at a higher high, and come back up. I doubt it, but it could happen. Now people are selling off, so you can see people are selling off. They're getting a little scared. They're getting a little skittish. Bitcoin really worth this much? Yeah, I do make streams constantly, so make sure to subscribe if you are interested in day trading. I do day trade right now. I'm just holding. I'm holding Binance Coin, hoping for a big rally with Bitcoin in the next few days. So you can see it's pushing up. You know, all these patterns are confirming. I think the Binance burn is good. In my mind, that means it shows. I mean, you could watch it live on YouTube. So basically, they burn the coins. Oh, my video is the first one that comes up. Great. If you guys haven't seen this video, watch it. The Binance coin burn, where you can see the CEO actually burn the coins. Yeah, I think it could have been. Because I was hearing BitConnect was rumors, speculation that BitConnect was selling off all the people's positions. So I think that's what was going on. They were just selling off everyone's position. But if you watch this video, this was their Q1 coin burn, where they burnt the coins. That's how they have it planned out. And they go from there. So you can see that. They burnt the coins. They got rid of them. Yeah. I mean, read the white paper. It's there. Yeah. Good trades right now. Probably BNB, my guy. BNB for sure would be a great trade because it's volatile. It moves in dollars. XRP, all these low-end cryptos, guys. The low-end. Look, my account. Look at this. Watch. This is the best, guys. This is the best. Refresh. $12.92. Right back up $200. That's the best. So that's good. Good coins to probably trade right now are Bitcoin Diamond, XRP, Tron. Those are ones that are moving. Binance coin on the next dip. When it goes back down here, it's going to pull back with Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin's doing, it's pulling back. And then buy it on the dip, sell it on the top. You keep rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Some good ones that are moving. We got Bitcoin Diamond, like I was saying. Bitcoin Diamond. Definitely, if you have the money, buy in. Look, I told you guys, Bitcoin Diamond. Watch Bitcoin Diamond. No, if anyone listened, you could have made chip off Bitcoin Diamond. Bitcoin Diamond's already up, a ton. And you could have made a good, like, $14 up per coin, guys. That's a lot of money. So keep an eye on Bitcoin Diamond. That one is pumping. It's known to pump. So Bitcoin Diamond, I mean, it's already up almost 1,000 sats. Yeah, so 1,000 sats on Bitcoin Diamond from that call out. I said to keep an eye on it. It could run. It did run. Tron is running too, surprisingly. Oh, Tron's lagging. Tron always does this. Tron's running, so keep an eye on Tron. You can either hold them or trade them. Tron is a good one. And that's all I see right now. Really all I see. You can see Bitcoin pulling back. A midday swing. I mean, Binance Coin's my best swing one. That's the one I swing the most. So guys, this is one thing to be cautious of. Like I said, make sure Bitcoin can hold these prices. So you saw we got the test. We want to make sure it can hold 10,500. Right now it's being tested. So just make sure it can hold it before we start getting a really strong push here. So you can see it's getting dojied. The sellers are trying to push it down. We want it to hold that price. See, there's a lot of sellers pushing the market down here. We want it to hold this price. Like I said, make sure your coin can hold this price. BNB, right back down. Like, BNB is just freaking giving me an emotional roller coaster, man. I hate it. But it's pulling back. You see Bitcoin pulling back. So right now, show level 2 of BTC. Alright, level 2 of BTC is right here. Anyone interested in a Bitcoin hedge fund? Automatics is one I promote, I talk about. Right now it works for me. I use it every month. I put in money and I take it out just in case it does have a shutdown. So if anyone's interested in a Bitcoin hedge fund that trades Forex as well, let me know. You can use it at your own risk. I don't recommend putting all your money in it either. I just put 10% of my profits in it and let that make some money. If it ever goes sour, whatever, but it has made me money and I've withdrawn. So if anyone's interested in that, you can let me know. If not, it doesn't matter. But anyway, you can see there's level 2 of Bitcoin. Let's move. Trade history. Can we move this? So you can see the level 2. Hold up, I'm adjusting this for you guys so it looks cooler. Here we go. So now we want to see it hold. You can see there's a lot of sellers here. Oh, well, yeah, I just showed you guys. The bull flags. The bull flags. You want to buy... Look. You want to buy when it breaks this red candle's high. So you see this? It's called the bull flag, which is what I have here. Right here. This same pattern, if you don't see it, I'm pretty sure you need to get your eyes checked. This same pattern is the same pattern that came up here. Yeah, there's one less candle. It doesn't matter. Comes up, pulls back. First green candle, break a new high, you buy it. Okay, so you buy around 10,150. You're already up within the next 30 minutes almost $800, which is a good way. Any way you look at it. You could have done it with Ripple. You could have done it with any other coin, and that's why I believe in it. That's a basic pattern I like to trade. It's so easy. You don't need another pattern. You just need the bull flag pattern. That's what I see working in crypto all the time. Now what you do is you wait. You be patient. You calm yourself. You calm your nerves. Trust that you've made the right decision, and you go from there. Watch for signs of price base just below 10K. Yeah, see, they just said it could recover under 10K. A lot of people... Sorry, Dan, I just had to preach it. Someone just wanted to know how to day trade. A lot of people are calling like Bitcoin to bounce, and I mean, it's done it before here where it just comes down below 10K, just under, and then bounces. It has these huge drops, guys. Like, do you not see these huge, massive drops where it just drops, comes back up, bull flags, boom, breaks out. So it happens. It just takes some time, guys. It really takes some time to happen and work. You know, it's doing it again here. We'll see if it can hold. If it can't, so be it. But right now, we're getting buyers. We're getting a lot of buyers in here. Well, give me a second. I got to check my schedule. Yeah, Tron is running, isn't it? Yeah, I mean, get it drilled in your head. How's Tron looking, guys? Fucking BNB is just pissing me off because it's just following Bitcoin's price. Tron is pushing. I told you guys about Bitcoin Diamond. That one's going. That's really it. That's all I'm seeing right now. Everything else is just following Bitcoin. BNB needs to push. Let's go, BNB. $4 more. I know, Dan. You got to take it, man. It's money. It's money. Tron, yeah. You made 2 cents on Tron. Dude, I don't know. When you're up on Tron, you should be scared. Because it's not, you know, it's not every day that you're making money on Tron. Okay, let's be honest. It's not every day. The bull flag tells you that people, it's just a psychological determination of prices trying to trend up forward. It's when, you know, it goes up, it comes sideways, and it shows that people are willing to buy at a lower price or higher price than they were before. Yeah, it just keeps going. And see, like, no other YouTuber is going to tell you this. They'll just say, here are my top 10 coins. Buy these top 10 coins because I bought them. And they never show you their portfolio. You know, they never show you anything like that. So if you're new, you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Make sure to watch every video. I never post a video that's not informative, that doesn't teach you anything. So make sure to just subscribe, like the video, please, please, please like the video. It helps get the channel out there. I really do appreciate that. So right now, what we're waiting for is Bitcoin to continue to recover. We want to see continued recovery, green candle after green candle, consecutive price runs. No, we don't want to give up any ground. Okay, it's a war against the sellers, and you can see the sellers are strong. They're strong. So the buyers are still weak here. They're still kind of weak. We need to start really pushing up past 11K. If we get above 11K, I think we're good. And I mean, that's not that far away. It's millions of dollars away, but with Bitcoin, market's going sideways is when the market's just going consolidating, where it's just going like this, but it's not moving up or down in a significant parabolic. So if you just Google sideways action, see all that green, that's good. So look, sideways action on stocks is when it goes like that, when it's doing this. See that? When it goes sideways, when the stock's going sideways, that's sideways action. Shut up, D-Tao, bro. Come on, let's be appropriate here. You can see we're pushing 11K. We're getting closer to that wall. Sell at the high, yeah. I mean, if you can find out where the high is, sell there. Why the hell is this not working? Okay, cool. You can see Bitcoin is trying to push. We got a lot of sellers here on GDAX. Okay? And we'll see. We could see all that green. You guys see this green right here? No problem, man. Just make sure to sub. Share the videos. You see that green right there? That's all good. Because even if we don't have a ton of buyers, it means people are willing to buy. That's your pick, Lavender. That's your choice. You buy when you want to buy. You sell when you want to sell. Not here to tell you that. So 760, 10760. How can we rip through here? We want the sellers to just start disappearing. The 1 minute graph is sketch, man. There's a lot of sellers, so it's going to take some time for Bitcoin to really push past 11K, in my opinion. We might get some sideways action, honestly. Which wouldn't be too bad. That's actually a good sign. I don't know if we'll get an instant push up like we usually do. We might get something like this. Where we hit a dip, like this, where we hit a dip, we push up, and we come back down, and we just consolidate. So we might get something like that, where we hit the dip here, we're going to get pushed back down, and we're going to consolidate between 10,000, and then push back up. I don't know if it'll be a sharp increase, in price. That would be great. That would be awesome, but I doubt it will happen like that. This is exciting, Deborah. This is exciting. It's going to take time, though. You got to understand that. It's a 24-hour market. It will take a lot of time. Look at Tron. I know, Tron is fucking going to the moon. I'm sure people... dude, Ripple is moving. Ripple is up. Big time. Tron's getting the pump. Oh my god, Tron froze my computer. I mean, you could have bought Tron and made cash. Easy cash. Tron's fucking freezing my shit. Yeah, Tron's up. Look, I can't even use my PC. You see that? I have 500 Tron here. I need to put Ethereum. I think it's ending right here. This is the dip, confirming it's out of the dip. See, I got 500 Tron that I can't get out of my thing. So if anyone wants to buy this Tron off me, No, it's not my PC. It's Binance, bro. It's Binance. Look, if I hit Tron, it freezes. Look, wow, there's a lot. The fuck? You just gotta look up here. This will tell you if Tron's moving. When Tron runs, it runs, guys. When Tron runs, it runs. I ain't gonna joke about that. Okay? When Tron runs, it runs. I got class for the stream. Maybe, yeah, if you guys are down the stream, let's get 100 viewers, man. We're 30 viewers away. Let's get 100. I want to get a fat stream going. Ripple, bouncing hard. Ripple, I told you guys. Dan, you're the man. You're in Ripple, so good shit to you. Good shit to you. A Bitcoin Diamond, pulling back. Tron, top gainer right now at 718 on the markets of Binance. We got Cardano bouncing back. Cardano might be a great dip buy, in my opinion, here. If you could have got Cardano, that would have been a good one. I mean, it's cheap. It's really cheap. It could go back up to $1. We're getting bullish activity, guys. Where people are buying in. We're back up to 10,800 on Bitcoin. If we get to 11,000 on Bitcoin, we are running to the moon. Okay, so we're getting a lot of coins changing gear here. We are bouncing back. Tron, bouncing back. Oh, fuck, no, I gotta get out of Tron. No! It's freezing. Why are you so... I don't like Tron. That's just me. Such a low cap currency. I don't like it. I mean, that's just me. I have Tron. Like the video, boys, yes. I like Tron, like, as a trade, but, I mean, it's just not me. Yeah, good job, Deborah. It's just not for me. I don't like the way it just went down red for, like, hours, and then it just pops up on this day. It's not predictable. It's not something I like to play. Ripple, on the other hand, Ripple is ripping. Like I said, Ripple will rip because it is a low price currency that people are really interested in trading. And we're getting this live for you guys. Live price jump. Look at Ripple. Like I said, bull flag on Ripple. Bull flags do not fail. They don't fail. You could have bought it here, bought on the bull flag break at $1.01, been up 13 cents. Easy money. Okay, easy money. Or you bought this dip, the doji, 90 cents. You're up a good 25 cents on $1,000. I mean, I wouldn't be selling Ripple. I wouldn't. Why? Because it's just now hit the bottom. You got so much room to run. You got in at a great price. Good for you. I would be holding Ripple if I was you. But I'm in BNB. Neo's alright. I don't really jump into that. I've never traded it. Ripple's not a shit coin. It's made me tons of money, and it's making people tons of money now. Bitcoin about to hit 10,900. We're running into this wall here. The bull flag. It's just really easy. Watch, man. I know, Danny, you're pissed. Bull flag is right when it breaks. When you see these two parabolic movements, two red candles that retrace about halfway to the side. Okay, and then it breaks the high here. Once it breaks this red candle's high with volume, it's a bull flag. So you buy that. So you're buying around 10,200 and you're already up 700. So now we're watching Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin pushing up. Can we get to 11,000? We're getting a lot of buys here. A lot of buys. Look, okay, we're getting into the millions. This is millions of dollars of Bitcoin here at 11. Nah, Danny, don't mute. We'll play some good music. About to hit 11K on Bitcoin. We're getting close to 11K, boys. I think we're going to get a bounce off 11K. I don't know if we'll rip right through it right away. We are ripping. We are ripping. We are ripping. All right, guys, here we go. All right, here we go. 10.95, 10.96, guys. Look at the level 2 here. This is millions of dollars of Bitcoin right here. 12 million from my last calculation. Here you go, 10.980. Here we go, boys. Yes, I'm still in BNB. I'm still in BNB. Yep, see, we got pushed back down quick. Dude, this freaking music sucks, man. It's not loading. Alright, you can see it got pushed down. First test of 11. Nearly tipped it. You can see Ripple. I mean, Ripple's at 10.18, man. That's a 30 cents profit right there. Tron, 8 cents. I told you guys, buy the dips. BNB, almost at 13, baby. Yes. 13, baby. Please, baby. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. So we're going to get a push off 11K, obviously, because we have a $12 million. But we're definitely going to push, I think we're going to push past 11K here in the next hour or two. Koreans are waking up. They're seeing Bitcoins going up. They're seeing that they're not going to really affect the price. Either way we look at it, Bitcoin is rebounding. So you got to be excited. Binance coin. Let's see if we can get Binance coin up. Let's see how the account's looking first of all. So at one point today, my account was at like 1,150. Okay, so not bad. Almost at 1,500. Almost at 1,500. Okay. Right here. Let's get the push. Bitcoin pushing. Shut this stupid music off. It's not working. Come on, what the... When I open up the YouTube tab to listen to music, it just like sucks. So we shut that down. Okay, so you can see we're testing 11K right now. We're testing 11K. You can see the seller is holding it at a 10.96. We're getting a lot of buys. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We could hit 11K here shortly. Sellers are still washing it out the buyers. The buyers can't hold the price. If this candle rips through 11K, that will be nuts. That will be nuts. Hey, if you guys don't want your Ripple, I'm more than willing to take it from you. Send it to me. You see there's a lot of buys showing up on level 2. We got Ripple at 10.18. We got BNB at almost $13. Ripple, not bad, Ripple. Not bad for Ripple. I mean, Ripple, 80 cents at one point. 85 cents to $1.15. That's a good gain either way you look at it. Plus you're getting in on a dip. Okay, so here we go, guys. Here we go. Here it is. 11K break. Here we go. Okay, watch the wall. You see, watch right here, boys. Watch right here. Here we go. So we're breaking through 1080. The 1090s, 11K is going to be the big wall. So here we go. We're buying. People are buying in. People are buying in. They're buying in while shrinking. Here we go. Here we go. We got a bigger wall on the buyers here. You can see just got taken out too. So they're fighting. This is a fight. The longer we stay up here, the longer we fight these guys down. Oh, the bulls fight them down. Yep, 6 a.m. Japan. I'm sure Tron is going bananas. Yep, failed. So we got a failure again on another test. Not bad. Right back up. They're trying to really push this one up. We'll look at some other charts for now. We got BNB at 13. We got BNB at 13. We're getting strong pushes. We got Tron at 8 cents. We've got Bitcoin Diamond at 65. We got Mana at 13. So right now I'm seeing Bitcoin Diamond as a potential play, like I called. Bitcoin Diamond. Tron. Oh, fuck you, Tron. Tron just keeps slowing down my computer because it lags Binance. Oh, you're calculated. What does that mean? I don't know. I did calculate this correctly, though. You know, XRP up over 40 cents from where I was calling it. Tron is up. That was a good one. But XRP is a good one. And Binance coins at 1301. Baby, please. Baby, please, baby. Let's go. Let's go for 11K. 11K. Back up to 1,500. Thank God. Thank the Lord, man. Sucks seeing my account at $1,000. Bitcoin Cash, really not pushing. BTC over 11K. BTC's over 11K on Binance. Dude, BTC's over 11K on Binance, but not Coinbase. Look at that. Oh, that's the first. That's the first. It's always higher on Coinbase. I invested 10% of my income, so about $300, $400 of my paycheck, turned that in $350 into 13K, and that's fluctuating between 2,400 to 1,300. Put it in BNB. I think BNB is gonna run. I got too early. I got in too early on the dip, but I think I'm good. I think it's gonna eventually run back up to $20, $40. I'll be chilling. But you can see Binance. You know, this is Coinbase Exchange. Binance were already over 11K. So let's go talk to the boys, see how they're doing. We're getting a good run as predicted. It's fucking easy. For a while now, James. Really? I didn't know that. Now it's toying with 11K. But I mean, once it's 11K on Coinbase, man. Coinbase, we're gonna get some run. Anyone playing this run on Bitcoin? Yeah, GBTC, right?
No, I bought some Bitcoin and Ethereum when it dropped.
Hell yeah, dude. So you got a good start in training with Ripple. Yeah, Danny, I got the beginning at Ripple before the run. Yeah, Binance already priced at 11,000 Bitcoin, $11,000 for a Bitcoin. Coinbase still under 11,000. We got about $12 million sitting at the ask on Coinbase. Tron is just moving. Do you have it? Yeah, but long-term hold for me is Binance Coin. Tron's moving too. Tron, day trade, it's just moving because of everything else is moving. Yeah, bro, it's just some. I'm just holding Binance Coin for long term. When this thing corrects. So Binance Coin, I got in when Bitcoin was trading about right here.
Notice how Bitcoin bottomed out where I said it would.
You said it would drop below 10K.
Yeah, I know. I said if it does, it'll hit 9,300 most likely to go up.
Sure. Yeah, but anyway, guys, if you see this, it's working. It's pushing up. It's gonna take a while. I mean, we've got $12 million on the wall here. We just passed it on Binance. It's coming back down. The Binance coin's at.
I hope everybody makes some money. I'm gonna hop off here. I'm starving. I ain't eat today.
Look at it later, Fry. And you can see it's just going up.
Take it off too. Have a good one, guys.
Alright, bro.
So right now about 1,500. It's probably gonna drop right back down. Yep. So you can see Bitcoin. We just started the new hour. We're probably gonna get a pullback here. I mean, it's more than enough. We're gonna pull back. That's a good thing. The more pullback we get, the better. I think. I mean, as long as we stay above this 10.3, we're loading up more buyers to push the price up. So we want to see a pullback. If we get another green candle, that's even better. Because it'll be 3 white soldiers, which is another pattern. And I'm just gonna watch. I'm watching strictly Bitcoin because that's just the market overall mover. So 3 white soldiers is a pattern like that. You could see that could definitely happen on Bitcoin. I'm trying to show you guys real shit. None of this fugazi, buy this coin because I think, because Jimmy here, or, you know, Crypto Jim or whatever you call yourself, Crypto Polk, whatever. Oh, anyone who has crypto in their name doesn't mean they know shit about cryptocurrency. It's just they're trying to ride the wave for the YouTube money. Understand that this could be a potential pattern. You want to play this pattern if you see it. It's called the 3 white soldiers. It's a bullish pattern. And then you have this, the 3 black crows, which is a bearish pattern. So you want to try to find a bullish pattern right here with the 3 white soldiers for an uptrend, which could be a potential play here. If Bitcoin breaks 11,000, we could see a 3 white soldiers pattern, which would indicate a stronger uptrend move. I'm trying to show you guys some patterns that we could see. And I love how, yeah, I'm trying to teach patterns to people because, I mean, the Japanese, if anyone's from Japan here, you guys created the patterns, the candlesticks, so we have to understand what they mean. A lot of people don't even know what they mean. They think green is good, red is bad, when honestly they both tell you different things. And you could have green candles that indicate bad downtrends and red candles that indicate good uptrends. So right now we want to see if we can get the 3 white soldiers, that'd be even better. I'm not saying if we don't get it, it will be bad. I'm just saying that's a potential possibility to look for. Just continue to look for a bull flag pattern like I was calling. Bull flag pattern is something we want to always look for. I'm pretty sure the link is somewhere in the chat. So yeah, that's the pattern we look for. You can see we had a strong push up. We want to see some buyers come in. We got that huge wall of sellers here at 11. But we could see that, you know, most coins were reacting to the bounce of Bitcoin a lot more than we thought they would. We've got Binance coin at 1277. Okay, good. We got XRP at 115. We got INS at 462. NEO at 135. Vola, you're the best. Thanks, bro. We got Tron at 8 cents. Tron is really making a push. So if you guys are interested in day trades, maybe Tron is your choice of currency to trade. You can see we're getting a pullback here. Nothing crazy. We might get down to 10,400. Nothing to get fearful of. We want to see some good, strong price movement to hold. So that's what we're looking for on Bitcoin here. You got the confirmation of the bounce, like I was saying, bull flag, and now we're probably going to try to set up another bull flag here on the 30-minute. If you guys could see this, we will zoom in. Look for something similar to that pattern. You see that? Anyone new to this? You can go back, watch. We called, like I called, not we called the bull flag pattern breakout for the run. It worked out perfectly. We're starting to get a trend reversal. So if you guys are new here, make sure to subscribe. Here at Back to Tech, my name is Ferris. I like to teach patterns, teach you guys how to trade correctly, effectively, and not get scared out about these dips. Remember the saying, buy low, sell high. Don't throw that out the window when everything's low. You buy it low, you sell it high. And this is the time to educate yourself because it's happening real time. You can watch what's going on and not watch it in hindsight. You can see how you play the market in real time. This is all real. This is all happening. This is level 2 for you guys who don't know. It's the order book. You can see who's putting in orders, selling, buying, whatever. These are the orders that are going through on Bitcoin. I'm strictly looking at Bitcoin just because it's the market indicator of where the prices are going for every single cryptocurrency available. I'm personally invested into Binance coin. I will show you for people who don't believe me. Yeah, I trade on Binance too. There's my Binance coin, 110 coins. I want it to go, if Bitcoin goes back to like 11, 12,000, I'll be up in the green. So we're waiting for that. But right now we're getting some consolidation on Bitcoin. So if you guys have questions, let me know. But this is just pattern analysis 101. It's fairly simple. Fairly easy to recognize. We want to see, Bitcoin continue to hold over 10,000, potentially go to 11. We had one test today of 11,000. We want to see another test. So just 7. And that's really all that's going on, man. So questions, I'm here to answer if anyone's interested. Yo, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Yeah, it looks like Bitcoin's going to try to break 11K probably in the next hour or two. The Asian people are waking up. So you got to understand time, who's in the market. So we'll look at Japan's time right now. Japan, 6 a.m. People are starting to wake up to trade. So we'll start to see volume from Japan here shortly come into the markets. And we'll probably get a price increase here shortly. So we'll see what's going to happen. Right now, we're looking good, boys. We're looking good. I'm not going to pronounce your name, dude. That sounds really difficult. Nihal Signamala. So you can see how it fares. How do you know? How do you know where to buy? How do you know where to sell? Just trend analysis. See, it bounced right off, and it's going right back up. So Bitcoin looking strong. Stream is lagging. Stream should be okay here. I don't know why it lagged for a minute. Lost a few viewers there. People get ticked off. It's not me. It's my fucking internet, man. Yeah, I don't know. We back. Sorry. I don't know. What the fuck? I keep OBS just sucks dick, man. No, I've never heard of that, man. I only trade coins that are realistic, that have utility, that people trade. That's why I'm not going here saying, oh, Bitcoin's over. Let's buy VX coin or whatever, Sex coin or whatever these coins are, because I mean, they have no real utility. Bitcoin's always gonna bounce. I mean, it's done it before. Look, I mean, it dropped here, killer drop. Okay, people are like the world's ending. Had the same type of drop, same type of bounce. I mean, almost nearly the same pattern back to the trend line. Huge drop back to the trend line. Huge drop back to the trend line. And then a huge drop right back to the trend line. So, I mean, it's doing the same thing. It's looking really strong. I think we could try to break 11K here shortly. Weed coin, dude. Yeah, I mean, I've got the Kush right here, which I'm about to smoke once we hit 11K. If we hit 11K, I'll roll a blunt. If we hit 11K. If someone wants to do a super chat, let's get it interesting here. Get a super chat. Put up whatever you want. You can click that little money button and donate money. Or sign up for automatics if you're interested. If you want to make money. That's what I do. I've made actually a lot more money than I've made a lot more money on trading crypto, but I've taken it out and put it in automatic. So once my automatic cycle's done, I'll be fucking chilling. 69 viewers, my favorite number. Cranky Pants, shouts out to you Europeans. Woo woo. BNB at 13.15. Let's go BNB. Yeah. We got Ethereum almost at $1,000. We got Bitcoin still trying to get back over 11 on Binance. We got Tron at 8 cents. We got BCD at 62. So right now, market looks like it's trying to figure out where it wants to go. You can see Bitcoin is having trouble. I think it will. If you want my real honest opinion, Zax, I think it will. I mean, those are extreme lows. I think we have to retest the highs to keep going. But we're probably going to come back to 10 grand, maybe 10, 20, 250, and then go from there. I mean, it's just pulling back a little bit. We're probably going to have 2 red candles down to 10, 200, 10, 400, and keep going. Yeah, I mean, BitConnect's a straight Ponzi scheme. But we can see that broke the trend. I mean, you can see the trend line here was straight down. I mean, you could see that. If anyone could see that, it's pretty simple. It broke the trend, and that's why it broke out. And then it's probably going to pull back here. Pull back to this trend line. So about 10,400 and take another push up. You see that? Okay. Almost, dude. And so if Bitcoin could go to, I think, 12,000, I think my Binance coin will be worth right back where it needs to be worth for me to win. Yes, I taught myself. Taught myself how to do everything. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe. I do those chart videos. I need to do a Binance 101 video on how to use Binance, because they're giving away free Binance coins. If you guys don't know about that, and I think that would be a great way to make some extra money. It's like 6 grand, over 6 million. So 6 million users are on Binance. Just the other day, it was 5 million. So that's great. I have 14 days to make this video, so I need to make it. Yeah, it looks like you fucked up, bro. Cranky Pants, read The Reminiscence of a Stock Operator, Richest Man in Babylonia. Those are 2 good books to get started. Yeah, I mean, indicators you could do on, you could use indicators on the advanced exchange part. So look, Zigo or whatever your name is, you go to exchange, you go to advanced, and then you can put indicators here on Binance Pro, okay? So you can see you put it up here, and then it starts trending back up. I mean, you could use the tools, indicators, etc., etc. Finally, Binance Coin finally recovering. Even though Bitcoin's pulling back, we still should see Binance Coin recover. I mean, it shouldn't go down. It's at 13.22. I just need it to move up another $2 to $3. We'll be fine. Okay, and then you can use you put indicators on here as well. But Bitcoin's pushing back. It's pulling back. That's fine. That's not what you want to be scared of. You want it to hold, a certain price level, but I mean, it could pull back right back down to here, about 10,400, and it'll be fine. I only use volume. And basic trend line analysis, as well as linear regression sometimes. But yeah, I just use previous chart patterns. You can see, like, I had no indicator to tell me that the Bitcoin repeats the same pattern over and over again. It did it here, it did it here, it did it here, and it did it here. And it usually does it when the time is about to end. So, I mean, UTC time is the universal time, and it's about to flip over to the next day, and we'll start to see Bitcoin probably take a green day push. I mean, it's already pushed back this candle a lot. So that's strong, but you can see, I mean, it's holding trend line very well, indicating another push. Yeah, I mean, there's no hope in this game. It's just trend analysis and setting stops and risk levels of where you're willing to risk. And you could see, I mean, I was down. I bought in Binance Coin at 1660, thinking that was the bottom when Bitcoin was like right here. And then it came against me, and then I bought more down at like 8, 9. I bought some more coins. So I have more coins down here at like $11, $12 a coin, more than so it brought down my average. So we'll see. Hopefully Binance Coin can rip back to 16. That's my goal. I think it will once Bitcoin gets over to 11,000. It will be back at 13. And that's really it. That's all I got. C2C times 914, 915, whatever. See, Binance Coin is ripping. People are buying this shit because they understand that you should be buying Binance Coin, not being a jackass. No, I don't think they're giving out any BNB coins to new users. I never said that. I mean, as long as Bitcoin is over 10 grand, that's good. You don't get free BNB, boys. You gotta make the videos and shit if you want to get the free BNB. So I don't have any free BNB. I ain't giving away any of my BNB. BNB's here to stay. You can see the moving averages are crossing. That's strong. And that's why you'll start seeing BNB moving on its own here. Oh, it just started a new day. Okay, so here on Binance, we got a new day on the exchange. You can see that just happened. So we can see if we get a crossover here and start to push back up. Nice aggressive push. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is pulling back. That's fine. That's fine. We just let it pull back and go about our business, okay? Without further ado, guys, I probably will end the stream here because I am tired. I want to go smoke some weed. Honestly. If you guys are interested in some more videos, live streams, I know you guys like it. I get about 70 viewers. That's fine with me. I don't need 1,000 viewers. We'll get that one day. I want to show you guys that these patterns work. They're applicable. They're profitable. They're easy to see. If you guys don't see them, let me know. We can talk about it in the future. I'll make more videos on pattern recognition. I just wanted to show you guys how to buy the dip on Bitcoin. I think I'm pretty much showed you to prove the point of this whole entire live stream. Not here to bullshit you. I'm not here to waste any of your time. I'm here to teach you guys and educate you. Nah, bro, I gotta go do some other stuff too. I've been on here. I've been watching the computer screen all day. So for anyone who's interested in watching these live streams, turn on your notifications. Turn them on. I go live every day. I go live maybe twice a day sometimes when I'm feeling it. I probably will go live after work tonight, so just be alert. Turn on your notifications. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video. Please share this with your friends and family. Share all my videos. I appreciate that. I don't ask you for anything else. That's pretty much it. You guys know I'm in Binance Coin, 109 coins deep at around $14 average. So I appreciate that. I appreciate you guys watching the video, spending the time. All you 73 people. If you guys can just like the video, share the video, subscribe, and come back for another stream. Turn on your notifications. As you guys can see, I am legit. I teach patterns. I don't promote frauds. It's all about crypto. It's all about now. It's all about how you make money on the dip. Bruins, you suck. UCLA sucks. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next live stream, probably later tonight. So just turn on your notifications. Shut up. Turn on your notifications. Be aware. Be cautious. Make sure you know what you're doing in this market. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next live stream. I'll see you guys later. Peace.